Hey guys, Alyssa here. Welcome back to my channel. I've been gone for some time, but I'm back and I'm better than ever. I'm super excited to be here making videos for you guys, or myself, or my dog, or whoever will watch them. Either way, I'm just excited to be back. Today's video is on this look right here. It's sort of like a sparkly, romantic eye, if you will. That's super dramatic, but it's just what I think of when I see this. So yeah, if you are interested in seeing this look, just keep on watching. Hey guys, I already did my brows off camera just because they take so long and I didn't want the video to be like super long. But for today I used the e.l.f. brow pencil, just their regular old brow pencil, and I used the second to darkest shade. First I'm going to be applying foundation. Today I'm going to be using the L'Oreal True Match. This is in the shade W3. It's kind of light. It might be too light for me, but I'm also really white right now, so we'll see. I'm going to be applying that using the Luxie 660 Precision Foundation Brush. And I did apply the foundation to my eyelids as a primer just because it's quick and easy and it works just as well as any other primer does. And I also sort of like avoided my eyebrow areas with this big fluffy brush just because I didn't want to disturb the masterpiece. So I'm going to carve out my brows with the foundation using just any sort of flat brush. I have this really old one that I have used for a long time. It doesn't even have a name on it anymore, so I don't know where it's from. But just any sort of flat brush will work. I'm going to set my eyelids just using my translucent face powder and a fluffy brush. For this step, I pretty much just pick up whatever brush and powder is closest to me. I just like to set the primer just so that when I apply the eyeshadow it doesn't drag or there's no streaks or anything like that. For this look, I'm going to be using the Dose of Colors DesiXKaty Friendcation palette. To start though, I am going to be adding a warm brown into my crease, and instead of using one from the Friendcation palette, I'm going to be using this one from this Colourpop palette right here. This warm brown, and I'm going to be adding that to my crease using this fluffy tapered brush from Morphe. This is the M139. And I'm just applying this all over my crease. And I'm going to keep dipping back into that color just to make it as deep as I want it. Next I'm going to be adding this shade right here, which is Girl Bye from the Friendcation palette, and I'm going to be applying that using this small tapered brush. This is the M411, and I'm just going to be applying that on the outer V. And now that I've placed the color down, I am going to blend that up slightly into my crease. And I am going to go back and forth between the two brushes that I've already used just to make sure that the colors are blended well together and there's no harsh lines. Next, I'm going to go back in with the brush that I set my eyelids with just to soften up the outer edges and also clean up this inner lid area before I add the shadow there. Next, I'm going to be adding this shimmery gold shade to my lid using this really small flat brush from Alamar. Before I move on to my bottom lash line, I'm going to first add concealer and set my entire face. And for concealer, I'm going to be using my tried and true Maybelline Age Rewind, and I'm going to be applying that using a beauty blender. And with my concealer, I like to clean up this outer edge of the eyeshadow. To set my under eyes, I'm going to be using this Rimmel London translucent powder, and I'm going to be applying that using this large Crown face brush. The brand is Crown. And for the rest of my face, I'm going to be using the same powder, just in a different shade. This is Sandstorm. And I like to set everywhere I added concealer with the translucent powder, and then I set all of the outer edges of my face with the darker powder. using the first brush I used in my crease just to soften up these outer edges now that we made a more crisper line with the concealer. Next, I'm going to take this flat straight brush from Alamar and I'm going to apply Girl Bye, which is the color we used in the outer corner, to my bottom lash line, and I'm just going to run that really close to my lashes all along my bottom lash line. Next, I'm going to blend out that line that we just added using this e.l.f. crease brush, and I'm going to be dipping that into the warm brown shade that we first added to the crease. Next, I'm going to move on to my face, and first I'm going to contour using this Glamour Dolls Lisa Frank bronzer. And to do that, I'm going to be using this Kat Von D brush. This used to be the Kat Von D Shade and Light brush, but I broke it, so this is the shade side. I'm also going to contour my forehead all the way around because I got a big ass forehead. Next, I'm going to be adding a shimmery bronzer to my cheeks, and I'm going to be using this Mineralize Skin Finish from MAC, and this is in the shade Deep Dark. And I'm going to apply that using this large face brush from Aesthetica, and this is the P12 brush. Lastly, for my face, I'm going to be adding this highlighter right here, which is Mírame from Dose of Colors. This is from the DesiXKaty collection. And I'm going to apply that using a Morphe fan brush. I'm going to apply that to the high points of my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow, and also a little bit underneath my brow bone. Lastly, before lips, I'm going to do my lashes, and I don't really feel like adding false lashes right now just because it's kind of late and I'm lazy, so sorry. But I'm going to be using, again, my tried and true Maybelline Great Lash. This stuff is old, but it's great and it gets the job done. I've been trying not to curl my lashes because I've discovered that it's really unhealthy for your lashes, so I'm not going to be curling them, so hopefully I don't look like a monster afterwards. I look ridiculous. I look ridiculous making that face, you know, you make when you put mascara on, but it's like impossible not to. And since I didn't curl my lashes while they're drying, I like to just sort of press them up with my finger and kind of hold them there, and it sort of gives them more of a curl. For my lips today, I'm going to be wearing a brown lipstick. I'm going to first be adding this Bodyography Timber lip pencil, and for lipstick I am going to be using this Colourpop 951 lipstick, and this is from the Alyssa collection. What's up? I'm from Burkesa. You don't want to mess with me. That's what I tell the people here now that I moved to California. Make them think I'm real hard. But I am. Just kidding. And that's it for this video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also make sure to let me know what videos you want to see. Leave a comment down below on suggestions. Write me on Instagram. Write me a letter. However you can reach me, just let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.